So I believe you must have seen this kind of videos trending on TikTok where two people are saying fighting kung fu. So I'll be showing you how to achieve that kung fu video effect right here on this video. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to click on the first link on the description of this video, and it's going to take you to this website called Hailuo AI. And right here, if you see this website, you can create amazing kind of video effects. But the one I'll be showing you today is the Kung Fu video filter effect. So what you just need to do is to first of all sign in to the website with your Gmail account. It's free. They give you some points to be able to create videos. Then the next thing, just click on this plus sign at the middle right here, and it's going to bring you up to this panel. This is where you are going to upload the image you are going to first of all use to create this Kung Fu effect. Now you need to have an image that has two people on it. So this is the image I'll be using. So right here, this is the image I'll be using for mine. So as you can see, then once you are done with the image, just come to this point that says unleash your creativity, this point, then you type something like this. Just type this prompt. So as you can see, two characters fighting, kung fu, kicking, punching. So once you are done writing this prompt like this, then what you just need to do is to click on this point that says 30. So this is where they are going to take some points from the free points they give to you. They're going to take away 30 points. So just click on it and it's going to start creating. So if you look at this point, it says one job in queue. So what this means is that your video is creating, and for you to achieve the video creating faster, you might want to do it at night. So if I click at this point that says one job in queue, you get to see that mine is currently in 35%, and I'll wait for it to finish, then I'll show you the outcome of the video. So guys, as you can see, my video is ready. If I play the video, you get to see it. Okay guys, so this is a video, but something is missing, which is the sound on the video. This is just the video without the sound. So how do you now get the sound? Let me show you how to do that. So first of all, download this video into your phone. Then once you do that, you are going to head over to TikTok for it to then pick the sound. Okay guys, so once you're right here on your TikTok, all you just need to do is to try to make a post. Just click on the plus sign and then add that video in which you have created from Hailuo AI. Okay guys, as you can see, I've added the image right here. So just click on that add sound above, and then you can see this first one that says Kung Fu. If you don't see it, you can just search for it and then you select it and it's going to give this sound. So guys, it's that simple. So you can just go ahead to post your video and join the trend. So if you got value from this video, you can drop a comment under this particular video to tell your experience on creating this video. And if you're here to subscribe to the channel, now will be the right time for you to do so. Just subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I drop videos just like this. See you guys on the next one.